welcome back to my channel. So I'm really excited today because I'm gonna film a haul on what I got for Christmas. Some of these presents are from my friends, some from my family. They're pretty mixed up, but it doesn't really matter. So one of the things I get every single year is chocolate and candy. So that's what I'm gonna show you first. First, I just got these Twix, which is a chocolate I really love. Then I got some Kit Kat, some more Kit Kat. Then, let's see, I got these, this After 8 chocolate. So this is mint, strawberry and mint, and this is just mint. I've tried these ones. I like them a lot, actually. I haven't tried these yet, so I don't know how they're gonna be, but they look pretty good. And then last of all, I got these Smarties. It's already open because I've already tried them too. I like to try everything like on the very first day. These are just some Smarties. I really love them, so that's why I got them. Now, let's go with the other presents I got. This isn't chocolate or candy anymore. So, there's this trend on TikTok that I'm not really sure you have seen it or not, but basically these small octopuses are really trending on TikTok right now. And my friend got this one for me because I just saw them on TikTok and I really just fell in love with them. I really like them. Ooh, it's this yellow and orange octopus. That's pretty much it, but it's like really cute and I love it a lot. And this isn't just mine, it's also mine and like my sister's. My sister is 4 years old and she really loves this too. So after that I got these LED starry string lights. I just really love decorating my room with different fairy lights, this type of lights, and also I got some LED like strips also, which are like, you can, like they have their own, basically you can just change their color, and I want to put them on my room. The only thing is right now I'm in Spain and I have them in Russia because I live in Russia. So once we get there, the first thing I want to do is set them up and see how it all looks like. So after this, I got this yo-yo from my grandparents. It's just, I haven't really tried it yet. I'm not really into yo-yos, but I don't know, I just got it and I really want to try it out. It's really a mess. It's all torn up because I wanted to open it today, but I didn't really know how to open it. So anyways, basically I just got this yo-yo and I want to try it out, but I haven't tried it out yet. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So, I also got makeup. I didn't really get too much, but I got this NYX Ultimate Brights shadow palette, and I really like it because I usually get like a lot of palettes with natural colors, and I don't know, I just really wanted to change things up a little bit, and I wanted to try to, I don't know, just do some makeup looks with bright colors. So these are just really colorful colors. Anyways, it doesn't really matter. And yeah, that's pretty much it about it. So you might see me with some colorful makeup on some of my videos. It probably won't be very good at the beginning. I hope I'll get better. I don't know, I'll just follow some tutorials and see how it goes. Then after that, I got this palette with more natural colors. As you can see, I'm gonna open it because of the reflection, you can't really see it much. Basically just some natural colors. This is for this is more for like my daily makeup, and this is like for some special occasions and or just when I'm bored and I want to do some makeup, or for my TikToks. By the way, if you don't follow me on TikTok, this is my account, you have it right here. And yeah, you might see me sometimes with colorful makeup. And then this, I'll probably wear it a lot, but you might not even notice because it's like really natural colors. Then, the last thing for makeup I got is this eyeliner. It's the NYX Epic Liner. And I really like it. I have tried it out yesterday. I don't really know when you're watching this video. Today is the day after Christmas for me. So I tried everything out yesterday. And I don't know, I like it a lot because I do eyeliner a lot actually, but I'm not really good at it. So I practice a lot, and I did have one, but I just finished it almost like in 2 months or 3, and like I just really needed, it's not that I needed a new one, but I just do it a lot, so it was really, it's a really good present for me. So that's all for my makeup. Then I also got this sweatshirt from Guess. I'm not gonna put it on right now, but like I think you understand how it looks. It's just this normal sweatshirt. So, in ultraviolet lights, they say it turns neon. I don't know, because right now it's just this normal pink. It's not really neon in general. So, yeah, that's it. I have actually worn it yesterday. I really like it. So, apart from that, I got this diving mask. I had one last year. I had one last year. The only thing is that I lost it. And it's really weird because it's like really big. I don't really know how I lost it. But anyways, I really like this type of diving mask. It covers my whole face. I don't really like goggles or the masks that cover like only up to my nose. I don't know, I don't really like them. This one is just more comfortable for me. I like when I'm in the water, I don't really feel it much. I don't know, I like it a lot. So let's just hope I don't lose it and that I can wear it this summer, I hope. Because this year we haven't like traveled anywhere because I live in Russia. Again, I've told you that already like about 5 times, but it doesn't really matter. So it's really cold there, so like I couldn't like, you know, I couldn't go to the sea or to the ocean, to the beach, but this summer because of lockdown and everything. But this year, I really hope I can. So apart from that, if you know me well, you might know that I really love playing Monopoly. So I got 2 different Monopolies. First, I got this super electronic banking Monopoly. I tried it out yesterday. I really liked it. My parents don't really like it. They like more like the original one, but I like this one more. And then I also got this voice banking one. I haven't tried it out yet, but let's just see how it goes because I don't really have anyone to try it out with because my parents don't really like Monopoly a lot, but my friends do. So once I see my friends, I will try it out with them. So yeah, that's pretty much it for Monopoly. And then last 2 things I got. I got this electronic keyboard because I don't really know how to play the piano, but I really want to learn. So yeah, I really want to learn, and I don't know, just know how to play songs and everything. It's just, I think it's really fun in general. And I did have one of these when I was little, but it was like when I was 6 or 7 years old. I couldn't find it. I was searching for it, but I don't know where it is. So let's see if I can learn to play the piano or the electronic keyboard. Let's see. And then after that, this is the last thing. I'm really excited for this. If you know me well, you probably won't know this. I really like singing. I'm not like an expert or anything, but I like singing in general. So I've got this microphone. I'm really excited for it. Well, this is just a cable, but it's not really important or interesting at all. So I haven't tried it out yet, but I don't know. It's just I just haven't opened it yet. Oh, here it is. Okay. So this is how it looks. It's just, well, like any other microphone, but I'm just really excited for this to see how everything goes. If I can, I don't know, just practice with it. I'm really excited for it. So those were all my presents I got for Christmas. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I really hope you enjoyed this video and that you had a really merry, happy Christmas. And yeah, I love you all. Bye.